Okay, so before starting, you have to install the Python. So if you click on the CMD, check the Python version, Python dash dash version. As you can see, it's showing you Python 3.10.6 version. I've already installed this one, so that's why it's showing me this one. So now, if you go to the Python, so if you have not installed the Python, so you can just click on the Python environment and just download the version. So as you can see, the current version is 3.13.3 version. So you have to install this one. So if you are going deep digging, you have to install the Anaconda. We can discuss about the Anaconda and some other kind of advanced things in our later videos. But for now, you have to install this one. So download, select your download according to your operating system or whatever versions you are going to use. So now, as you can see, you have the files. You have to download according to your operating systems, Windows, 32-bit, 64-bit, or whatever the recommendation is. I'm going to download this one. So as you can see, once you have downloaded, just execute this one and follow the installation process. Okay, guys. So now, how can you exactly install the Django? Okay, so first of all, you have to select the specific folder where you are going to store the Django framework. So I have the C drive here. As you can see, I have a Laragon folder and www directory, and I'm going to install that Django here or the Django here. I'm saying CMD. Fine. So if you are typing the CMD from here, if you're not familiar with this one, as you can see, the current directory is the user and the shake stack. If I'm saying shake cd, and I'm saying dir here, as you can see, you have the Laragon. I'm saying Laragon slash www. Now I'm in the same directory. So both are the same thing. So here you have to use the specific command. I'm saying django admin start project. Now you have to specify the project name. So now I'm saying Django, basic Django. Fine, basic Django or the Django. So now hit the enter button. So now if you go to the folder, find the folder here, as you can see, the Django you have successfully installed. So now I'm going to open this one with a specific editor. It's up to you which editor you are going to use. Make sure if you talk about the versions, you have to install the Python. So how can you check the Python version? So just open the CMD command. Now here I'm saying Python dash dash version. It's saying 3.10.6 version. I have installed the Python. So this is the Python version. So greater than 3.8 version is required for the Django. I've already installed the Python here, and also I've already installed the pip, which is a dependency manager here in the Python environment. So it's similar to the composer if you compare this one with the Laravel or the coding editor of other kind of PHP-based framework. Now, you have just created or installed the project. It's up to you which editor you are going to use. Either you are using the Sublime, either you are using the VS Code, either you are using the PyCharm. So since this is the basic series, so that's why the my I'm going to use the PyCharm. Why? Because I love this one. If I'm going to work with the Python, so if I'm going to work with the Laravel or any kind of PHP-based frameworks, I always use the PHP, my admin, or the VS Code. So now I've already opened this one where you can get this particular. Just type JetBrain. So this is the JetBrain, and here as you can see, this is a PowerShell. If you go to the JetBrain's official websites, so they are providing a lot of tools available here. So if you go to the developers, and here you can just say PyCharm. So this is the PyCharm. If you click on the PyCharm, you will be redirected to this particular page. It's not a free, it's a paid version. You have to pay, or if you are a student or a faculty members, they're gonna give you the full version with a free. Okay, so now as you can see, if you click on the pricing, it will give you the pricing. It's $249. Fine. So you have to download and install it. So if I go to the user here, as you can see, since I'm a faculty member in my university, so that's why I have the free version. So I've already installed this one. You have to download and install the editor. So now once you install the editor, I'm going to drag and drop, or now I'm going to open this one. So I'm saying it's a basics. Where is the basics? So this is the basic Django. Open this one. Yeah, you're now going to execute. So now you have to server. So just open the terminal, manage.py, run server. Now you have to just use this particular command. So it will give you the link. So now if you go to the editor or browser, just paste this particular URL here. As you can see, it's saying you have successfully installed the Django 5.2 version. So you can also view the tutorials, you can also view or check the documentations, you can also check or join the community of the Django. So this is the first one. So if you go to, it's give you the two folders. As you can see, this is the folder, this is another folder. And in the root folder, you have the db.sqlite and you have the manage.py. It's similar to the artisan if you compare with the Laravel. So if you go to this one, if you click this one, so now if you check the URLs or the routes, as you can see, it's showing you or executing the specific page like this one. So now if I'm going to create a functions, I'm saying def uh, hello world. Fine. Now you have to also use the path hello world. So if you click on the import, so as you can see, you are using the path. So that's why now it's giving you the error. Why? Because you have to also import this one. Fine. So if you type the hello here slash hello, it will give you the hello world. We're gonna discuss about some other kind of things in our later videos. For now, in this way, you can download and install the Django framework and execute or run the server.